Hi everybody. Guess what? Today we're gonna look up in my attic. And guess that the heaters are running today because it's really cold. And I'm off for Thanksgiving break. I just got home. Alright. Oh, I hear the heater going up there. And it is cold up here. Oh wow, look at this. I've never been up here before. Well, not in a long time. Mouse poop. Yeah. Oh wow, this is gonna be cool. I'll get to actually see the heater in action. Oh wow, look, there's the fire. See it? It's the pilot light. Watch that for a few minutes. It's cool. Now you guys know how your heater warms up the air. There's the fan right there, I'm guessing. You guys just watch that for a minute. Back. Let me line my flashlight up. That right there, the box, see it? That's the fan. Oh wow. Yeah, I don't know as much about heaters as I do air conditioners, but I know that they use fire. I knew that. Of course. Fire turned off, and it's just a fan. That's a weird noise. Alright, now it's just a fan. The fire's off. So it's just a fan blowing. There's the pipe that let me wind my flashlight up. Alright. There's the pipe that goes to the air filter. It's down into the small attic. There's another pipe. Here's the condenser pipe right here. Oh, and by the way, these are York heaters. See? See, York heating and cooling. Alright. Unit 1 and Unit 2. Some crap here. Alright, here's a little tiny pipe that goes to the bathroom. There's the upstairs heater. And there's the downstairs. Ooh, what was that? the upstairs one hasn't been coming on any. We'll get a look inside there. Already up at 5 minutes? The downstairs heater's turned off. It's inside there. It's looking down. Hey, Mom. What? Has the upstairs heater been running any today? Yes, I think. It's not coming on at all. Anyway, it's like gas furnaces, you know. It's gas. It uses gas, not electricity. See, we'll get a better look at one of these gas pipes. There's a condenser pipe for this one. Mouse poop. Yeah. Hang on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get this thing to turn on. Oh, it's nice and warm down here. Alright, I just turned it up a degree. And man, it still has not came on, huh? This one's a York, too. Some other crap to read on there. It's a mouse trap. Here's the fan for it. Stepping on a mouse trap, and there's back in there. I'll be right back. Maybe I didn't actually press the button to turn it off. Downstairs came on. We'll watch it real quick. I guess. You know what? Let's. Oh my gosh! Look at that. I have no idea why it's making that noise, but we'll put it right here. I have a feeling I did not press the button. Wait, watch it. I'll listen to it turn on. I guess I like these things, so they're interesting. Wow. I love that. I can hear that from down the game room. That's why. Alright, I'll be right back. definitely cool. Getting ready to stop it. Alright. Now it's on. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it.